We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Keep it in a tray with enough of a lip to contain any leaks on the bottom shelf of the fridge. Check the sell-by date. If the chicken is kept cold, it should be good at least 4 days beyond that, but use common sense here. If it looks or smells off, discard it. Best to use it sooner than later though.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.